Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not showing on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. Missing or silent notifications on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 usually stem from One UI background restrictions, Do Not Disturb triggers, or specific cover screen flags window toggles. At first, we'll need to enable notifications for the cover screen. If notifications appear on your main inner display but refuse to light up or pop up on the outer cover screen, we need to at first open the settings. Now we need to enter the notifications. And now once we are here in the notifications, we need to tap cover screen. And you need to make sure that this tick is enabled. Show notification pop-ups even while screen is off. Number 2, remove apps from deep sleep. Open the battery right here, and now scroll down to the background usage limits. Take a look at sleeping apps or deep sleeping apps, and tap on this application to remove it. And actually, One UI's aggressive power management automatically halts background services for apps put into deep sleep, preventing, of course, them from pushing notifications until you manually open them. So at first you need to, the second thing that you need to do is going into the apps and finding this application that you have recently taken out from the unused apps, the sleeping apps. Let it be, for example, Facebook. Tap this application in the apps section and tap here battery. Make sure it's set to unrestricted. Allow this application to use battery in the background without restrictions. This may reduce your battery life. Number 3, turn off Do Not Disturb and power saving mode. So you need to at first open back the notifications here and make sure that Do Not Disturb is turned off, like this. Once it is, we need to go to the battery right here and disable power saving right here. Both features intentionally silence or delay push alerts, so that should be it. And actually that should be it. Of course, in Notifications tab and App Notifications, you need to make sure that you've got the notifications enabled for your application. Bye!